We're currently witnessing a slew of leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy S24 ahead of its expected unveiling in January. The latest leak suggests that Samsung might maintain the same pricing strategy it used for the Galaxy S23 range this year. According to a report in the Korea Economic Daily via Android Authority, Samsung is planning to keep the prices of the Samsung Galaxy S24, Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra unchanged when they're launched in 2024. One reason behind Samsung's ability to maintain these prices is that it's using its own Exynos processors in some regions, as opposed to relying solely on Snapdragon chipsets, as it did with all the Galaxy S23 phones this year. The prevailing rumor in the tech world is that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is slated to be unveiled on January 17, which means we won't have to wait much longer for the official details about these upcoming Samsung flagship phones. In recent days, we've heard about potential camera upgrades, enhanced AI features, and brighter displays that may be on the horizon. However, it's worth noting that, as is often the case, many of these upgrades are expected to be exclusive to the Ultra model.